Hi everybody, Mr. Silva here with another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a Tweety Bird decal. If this is your first time watching my videos, I make videos about how to make money with vinyl decals. I post videos every week. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any video. If you have any question, leave it in the comments below. Okay, let's get started. Let me show you where you can sell this decal and make some money. You can sell it on different places such as Etsy, eBay, or even your own website. But for this video I'm going to show you how it's selling on the ebay.com platform. Okay, look at this listing. The image shown on the listing it's not that good because the background is not covering the whole frame of the picture, and that's something can be really relevant if you are selling on eBay. So the image is not so good. The price is it's okay maybe, but as you can see, this guy has 67 units sold so far, and the title is not that good. I'm pretty sure you can improve it. So I'm pretty sure you can do a better job here. And the description, so many colors. Now I'm sure you can do a better job here, and you can start selling it right away, and you can make some money here. I hope you like this video, and it can help you in any way. So wait no more and take action and start your own vinyl decal business today. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section below. If you want me to make a specific decal video, let me know in the comments. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and do it now. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.